Hi everyone, you're welcome to chemistry class with Peter. I have a question on the board. Write the structural formula of the following. We have the first question, 2,2,4 trimethylpentane. The second question, alkyl metanoate. Then the third question, trans 2,3-dibromobutyene. So how do you go about it? Let's start from the first question. The first question, 2,2,4 trimethylpentane. Solution. To start with, the first thing we are going to do, we are considering the parent name, pentane. That shows that the longest carbon chain is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 5 carbon. Then 2, 2, 4. So in the second carbon, we are meant to have methyl into 2. 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fourth carbon, we are also meant to have another methyl. Then after that, every other carbon are filled with hydrogen. So looking at this is the structure. This is the structural formula for the first question, 2,2,4 trimethylpentane. 2,2,4 trimethylpentane. Then now let's go to the second question, alkyl metanoate. Alkyl metanoate. There's no space, I'll clean up. Alkyl metanoate. Considering that particular compound, it is an ethanoate, an alkanoate, is an ester, and as we all know, ester is made up of, is formed by reaction between ethanoic acid and then between alkanoic acid and alkanol. So looking at this, ethyl methanoate, so it's formed between methanoic acid and then ethanol. So this is the structure for the second one. So this is ethyl methanoate. This is ethyl methanoate. Ethyl methanoate. Then we now go to the last question. The last question says trans 2,3-dibromobutyene. Trans 2,3-dibromobutyene. This is talking about trans 2,3-dibromobutyene. So first of all, we are going to have this double bond. Then trans, in trans, this is a geometric isomer. In trans, they have to be alternate. CH3, then this CH3. Then we now have our bromo. So this is the answer to the third question. This is the answer to the third question. This is the first question, this is the second question, then this is the answer to the third question. The third question, our answer is what? This is the longest carbon chain is 4 carbon. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is butyene. and the second carbon we are having bromo and bromo. So this is because they are in alternate direction, that's why it is trans 2,3-dibromo butene. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and share. Follow Chemistry with Peace for more interesting chemistry lessons, and also follow my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.